Hello, this is an educational video for RSA members. Today we're going to look at the RSA homepage on uShip.com. Assuming that you're a registered RSA member and you've signed up for uShip, this is going to be your homepage. So when you log into your uShip account, this is what you should see. You can see it's tailored to your RSA membership, and we've simplified the shipping process by highlighting 3 categories that we think you'll use most often and categories that provide instant rates. This is great if you're looking to start a shipment, but this homepage has more than just a shipping flow. We've added some quick links that we think might be important to you. You can find your shipments. You can go directly to your inbox, and you can go to the payment section of your profile as well. If we keep scrolling, we have a few shipping guides. There's a lot that goes into shipping on uShip. We want you to feel educated and empowered. And along with some videos that we're going to put on a YouTube page, we've also provided these guides. Going back to the homepage, if all of this is too much information and you feel a little confused or a little overwhelmed, we have a fantastic support team right here in Austin, Texas that you can give a call or shoot us an email. We'll also be updating the uShip blog. These will be specific to RSA. We haven't quite started on these yet, but they are coming soon. Keep an eye on updated blogs. We'll also host a few videos here from the aforementioned YouTube page. So I hope you feel comfortable using your homepage now. uShip has worked hard to create an atmosphere that is informative and efficient for our RSA partners. So again, I hope you feel comfortable. I appreciate you watching this video. Have a great day.